Alright, heads up. In this video, I'll be showing you how I use the detail kit to paint Air Jordan logos and other small intricate areas on Air Jordans. My name is Footprints, and I'd like to thank you for watching. Please stick around to the end for more bonus content and footage. And also, you might learn how you can get this kit here for free. Thank you again. Okay, so let's begin. First here, I'm going to start with the Jordan 23 logo on the back of the 11s. And just a tip here, as I'm using the detail bottle, I'm dabbing the paint along the number. I'm not trying to drag the paint because then it may smear. So I'm kind of dotting it like I'm doing a tattoo. After it will be done, I would just go get myself an X-Acto knife and sharpen up any uneven areas or any like paint leakage that might be around the 23. This is best done when it's dry. After I'm finished using my needle, I just take my other acetone bottle and I clear the needle out before I use it to make sure I don't have any clogs. So there you can see me transition over to the black bottle, and I'm doing the Air Jordan logo itself. I have some black paint mixed with some Angelus Too Soft, and you might have to go over that about 2 times for it to be completely black. There you see me going over the logo on the front because we're trying to convert this over to the Concord. So I'm painting that logo black on the front of the tongue, and then we're doing the lettering in white, which, as you can see, the kit, I can get into any small area, like no area untouched, and it doesn't make a lot of mess. Like I can be very, very, very accurate. So the detail kit is the best way to go when we're detailing or painting in small, tight areas. Links to this product and more sneaker DIY repair tools and products will be in the description or in the comments. Now please stay tuned to find out how you can get these items for free. Hey, check this out. You can get this stuff for free because you can get paid whenever you share. If you want to learn how, just go check out the links in the description and see how you can become an affiliate and start sharing DIY sneaker repair products and get paid for doing it today. You can also earn credits for referring friends. You'll get 15% off, and they'll get 15% off too for sharing sneaker repair products, books, and PDFs. Shoot me a comment and ask how, and I'll include my book, How I Made $1,125 in a month online selling old shoes today for free. So don't miss out on this offer. The number of free ebooks will be limited. Thank you for watching. Hey, my name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in re-glues and patent leather repairs, and I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available. And I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned, and thank you again.